What's up, nigga? What are you doing? Alright, well, I think my roommate's having a banger tonight, so party at my house. Roll through. Alright, I'll see you there.
Yo, I dedicate this song to all my people out there.
What up?
All my boys, all the people that dig my music. Yeah, I'm white boy wasted, drink it but don't chase it. Walk around the party and feeling a little faded, dodging all these bullets like I'm a part of the Matrix. Say you making money, well really I'm on the same shit. All these people talking, assuming I won't make it. I don't give a fuck if I do, that's why I stay lit. Make that ass clap, that's what I'm telling my main bitch. Party after party, I party until my legs give out. That's what I'm about. Do it for the north, west, east, south. I do it for the girls, doing it for the crowds. I do it for the bitches that wanna be getting down. Got a lot of problems, I'm thinking of skipping town. Pop a lot of bottles, my liver is shutting down. Fuck it, roll this up and let's pour us another round. Drink it down, yeah, drink it down. 1 shot, 2 shot, drink it down. 3 shots, 4 shots, drink it down. 5 shots, 6 shots, drink it down. I'm fucked up, another round. 1 shot, 2 shots, drink it down. 3 shots, 4 shots, drink it down. 5 shots, 6 shots, drink it down. I'm fucked up, another round. Calling all my boys and I tell them to roll through. About to get this party started, we doing it old school. Gotta forget about the drama, that shit is just old news. I be drowning in this liquor, I'm filling a swimming pool. Everybody taking pictures, we loving the life we living. These Benjamins in my vision, I'm looking up to the sky and I tell my brother I miss him. I joke with him when I'm dreaming. I told him if I was rich that I'd buy me a little midget and make it my little bitch. 2 shot, drink it down. 3 shots, 4 shots, drink it down. 5 shots, 6 shots, drink it down. I'm fucked up, another round. 1 shot, 2 shots, drink it down. 3 shots, 4 shots, drink it down. 5 shots, 6 shots, drink it down. I'm fucked up, another round.
Yeah, motherfucker, you know what it is, and blow my Daniel's house.
He's gonna step in the pew. That's karma for pissing on my shoe, motherfucker.
Look at all the fucking puke blowing.
Dude, what the fuck, Steffi?